Hi, this is Rasika from Mekas Cloud. Today's agenda is what is Amazon Elastic Cache, benefits of Amazon Elastic Cache, how Amazon Elastic Cache works. It starts with what is Amazon Elastic Cache. Amazon Elastic Cache is a fully managed in-memory data store and cache service by Amazon Web Services. Amazon Elastic Cache allows you to seamlessly set up, run and scale popular open source compatible in-memory data stores in the cloud. Build data intensive apps or boost the performance of your existing database by retrieving data from high throughput and low latency in-memory data store. So as we are discussing, this Elastic Cache is a fully managed in-memory data store. It's a cache service which is provided by Amazon Web Services. Then it's an open source compatible in-memory data store in the cloud. Then other one is which is helping us to boost the performance of your existing database, or you can able to build the data intensive apps which provides you the high throughput and low latency in-memory data store. Now we'll see this Elastic Cache is operating with the help of two options, that is two engines, that is Memcached and Redis service. Now we'll see what is this Redis and Memcached. Elastic Cache for Redis is nothing but a manage and analyze fast moving data with a versatile in-memory data store. So the same way, Memcached is a build a scalable caching tier for data intensive apps. For different types of services, we are using these two different types of engines which supports in a proper way. Benefits of Amazon Elastic Cache: complete management, great performance, high scalable. These three are the major benefits of Amazon Elastic Cache. Now we'll see how this Amazon Elastic Cache works. So normally for the applications, how we are going to scale via internet, that is for the gaming, that is real-time app gaming, media streaming, dating and social media access, those things and all, those applications are scaling via internet. For that application, this Amazon Elastic Cache plays a major role, because those applications are in need of the in-memory data store. That is, the caching services are most important because the frequency of accessing that particular data is higher end. So this Elastic Cache plays a vital role. So what are all the use cases? That is real-time transactions, chat, then business intelligence and analyticals, session store, gaming, leaderboards and cache. These are the use cases. Now we'll see, for example, if one client is depending on the database and file store services, maybe it may be of service, this is or serverless. So this Amazon Elastic Cache for Redis plays a middle role, that is, which is helping us for the high throughput and low latency services. This is how it's saving that time for retrieving the data. Now we'll see the architecture, how this cloud, AWS cloud, and inside that we have a virtual private cloud for individual users. In that virtual private cloud, we are having one website. That website is supporting with the help of Elastic Cache, and supporting the next route through is the EC2 instance, that is depending on the server. Then the AWS Lambda, which helps us to invoke the services. Then Amazon DynamoDB, which provide us the database service. So this is the process flow, how this Amazon Elastic Cache plays a in-memory data store in the cloud. Thank you.